Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix text notification sound not working on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on CR. After click on CR, scroll down and click on data. Click on storage and cache and clear cache data. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.